The Air Force, the United States in general, has enjoyed dominance of the skies, air superiority throughout the history of the Air Force since 1947. And we want to continue that. You never want to have parity with your adversaries. You want to be able to climb higher, you want to be able to accelerate faster, you want to be able to operate in environments where they cannot. I'm Alex Johnson. I work in military development programs at Pratt Whitney. Pratt Whitney has been and continues to be the fighter engine propulsion house for the United States Air Force. All of the 5th gen fighters right now are powered by Pratt Whitney. It's a real legacy of performance. We're developing a new architecture for gas turbines. It's called an adaptive architecture. What an adaptive engine does is it allows the engineering community to create an engine that can be optimized from multiple points. So it can be both a high power engine for takeoff or acceleration, as well as have fuel efficiency for the cruise. So it really changes the nature or adapts to the mission at hand. The Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion program that the Air Force is developing creates the next generation of propulsion for the warfighter, such that not only do they have the stealth capabilities and the thrust and the power that our traditional engines have developed, but they can do all those things at the same time and address the ranges of the Pacific theater. The XA-103 is Pratt & Whitney's offering for the Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion program. It's platform agnostic, so it could go into the crewed fighters, whether they have 1 engine, 2 engines for the future, and then there could be derivatives out there that go into these smaller aircraft that still need to prosecute similar missions of long distances. Gas turbines are among the most complicated machines on the planet, and so that consistent set of resources and funding really drives to the capability that makes them the differentiators that we enjoy. We have to adapt not only the products that we're creating, but we have to adapt the way that we're developing those products. And so we bring in things like digital, we bring in things like agile management practices, because we have to innovate to be able to move faster, to be able to communicate within the team. Digital accelerates the things that we're doing. We put things into a model, then we share that model across all of the teams. Now you have the same model that goes from Pratt & Whitney to the supplier or to the manufacturing floor. Digital also allows us to integrate our tool sets together so that you can have more models that work together to find optimal solutions. The other aspect of the digital environment that's different than the past is that we are directly connected with our customer. The customer provides us requirements and we involve them in every step of what we do. The customer can see what we're doing, see what we're asking, see the analysis that we've done, and they can provide their guidance. We can adapt our processes and our designs to make sure that we're focused on what's important to them. What excites me about the military propulsion is that it's going to provide that capability to the warfighter that continues the legacy of air dominance across the world. They get into the airplane, they say, I need thrust, I need power. They fly their mission. They don't think about the engine because it's just doing its job.